Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back here with an exciting video. It's gonna be a really quick unboxing video. So actually received my scarf. I ordered it from Myntra.com, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you what I got, and then I'll show you how I styled this piece in case it fits me well. If not, then I would end the video. I think it will probably fit me because I ordered in the size 26 if I remember. So let's get started. Okay, this is how my eye makeup looks like today. I rarely do like eyeshadow thing, but then I just felt like doing it today. And my hair is straight again. Yes, I straightened my hair. I washed my hair in the morning. So it's, oh my god, it's 5 p.m. already. I don't know what I've done since morning. Guys, this is what happens when I'm sick, you know. My 2 days went useless, you know. I wish I would have gone out. Anyways, okay, this is the item. I've seen similar print top, but then it's like too cropped. I don't think I can wear that to work, so I did not buy that. And that was expensive. I think that was for 600 or 650 rupees. I don't want to spend on such short crop top, so that's why I didn't buy that. So let me just tear this apart and bring out my scarf. Oh, this looks so cute. It was expensive, you guys. If I don't like this scarf for the price, I'm just gonna return it. But I think I'm gonna love it. No, yes I can love it. Yes, I think this is gonna fit me. I love this the hanger. I bought so many clothes from this brand, you guys. I see this brand even on Amazon, so it's like really nice brand. Let me see the price. I mean, I know the price. I ordered it, so oh my god, this says 1700 rupees and I got it for like 700. So okay. Oh my god, this looks so cute. I can't wait to wear this. Oh, it's so cute. I am in love. It's really nice. It's beautiful. And I ordered one more skirt, you guys, in the top, so it'll be there. So I love clothes. I just love clothes. Just want to buy more and more and more. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to wear this tomorrow to work, maybe. Let's see. Okay, so with this I'm going to be wearing a couple of different tops. So let's get started. Okay, let's start to find the tops. What am I saying, if I make any sense? So I'm gonna look for the tops to match my skirt. Oh, there's one more top online I've seen, like brownish top. I'm gonna buy that today, now, after this video. Yes, that's 500 rupees, and I have only, oh my god, I don't have money. I'll be completely broke if I buy that, but I really want to buy it. Let's see, I'm not sure now. Okay, so this top, how about this top with this? Will that look nice? No, I don't think so. That'll be too bright for this. No. I don't think so. No, I'm not gonna wear that. But this one for sure. Okay. This top will look so nice with this one. So nice, maybe. Oh, there's one more top that's gonna look really nice. I bought it from Myntra. So okay. Stock. So there's like really beautiful off shoulder top. I mean, in camera it looks really bright, but then in real life it's gonna look nice. I'm gonna wear this again. Okay, these two tops with that skirt. And how about this top? All of these tops are like from Amazon, like from online websites. No, this would not look nice. Let me see what goes with this skirt. Okay, I don't have more clothes, you guys. I think I should try this one since I cannot really find nice tops. Oh no, I got it. How about this yellow top? Okay, I've got 3 yellow tops with this skirt. Oh, this will look really nice. In camera it looks really, like, this yellow tops look so bright, but then they're not that bright in real life, so that's gonna go with that. Okay, I've got one more yellow top which I got from like Sarojini Market. So all the tops I'm showing you are from online websites. So yeah, this is from Sarojini. I'm gonna try this as well, so yeah, this would look nice. Okay, so that's part 2. I don't have more yellow tops. I don't have tops which are gonna match this skirt. Or I've got a handbag which is gonna match my skirt. Maybe this handbag will look nice, okay? And then why not have this one? It has yellow in it, so it's gonna look really nice. So this back, and I've got yellow shoes, but I'm kind of lazy to wear. Let's see, I think I will wear it. I'm not sure. So these are like my bags and my tops, and I've got a yellow pair, just like that. So yeah, I'm all ready. So now let's get started with the fashion video. So I'm gonna try out these clothes and show you. It's gonna be fun. So let's get started. Guys, that's about it for this video. Please let me know in the comments down below which outfit you like the most, and let me know about this skirt. What do you think, if I should keep this skirt or should I return it? And yeah, the quality of this skirt is really good, not that bad. I mean, the making looks good, but I don't know about the fit. I'm not sure. I ordered in the size 26 as far as I remember. It is still loose a little, so yeah, that's that. But yeah, I'm liking this skirt. I think I'll keep it. That's about it, you guys. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below how you like it, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.